In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find property owner name in Propwire. In order to do that, you first need to head over to propwire.com and from in there, enter right here your address as well as your lead type. If you do not have an account yet, proceed to click onto this sign up option in order to create one. Or if you already have it, proceed to just click onto the login option that will appear just beside that. Now, next thing about this is you can just proceed to log in, and here is my actual dashboard. Just enter right here under the search bar your target location. So my target location is Chicago. Now from there, you can also apply some lead types as well as property types that we have right here. I have applied lead type of vacant lots. So we can find right here some properties. I have in here this one. Click onto the property that catches your interest. And from in there, it should be able to open this. So the next thing we need to do right here is if it has an image, you can review it thoroughly. However, if it doesn't have it, you can just proceed to scroll down. The property value is right here. You can see when it's last sold and the likes. So you also have the option to contact the owner if you would want. Now, as you can see, this land is actually individually owned. That means that this land information is under a subdivision, and in here you can see the debt as well. Just head over to the tab of owner, and from in there you can find their details. We have in here Goya Nightingale. You have in here their mailing address as well as their phone numbers. So for this case, you can just proceed to contact them, send them a letter, and send them mail. You can also skip trace right here to get their phone numbers, email addresses, and more. Just head over and click on add if you're satisfied with this particular product. And from in there, you can also see the history of that particular property. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.